NYX face towards Balkan. First challenge. This is my proud soul. Enjoy. Paint your tears with cyan, for that is not a weakness sign, but a necessity for souls that, like flowers, grow. And draw magenta heart, for the love of self, and life, and art. Wear it on your sleeve, for the honesty you can achieve. Beam your yellow joy into the world, but don't follow it therein. Though it shall be returned, true bliss comes from within. And the black darkness in us all is not to be feared of, but here to make us learn that only in dark can light be shown. And you can feel a proud soul when you paint your face again in your darkness and your joy in your love and in your pain. Look, these colors are not a mask by far. They do not hide your skin because they always lie therein. It is not your fault how it is, the world, but you to be to blame if it stays the same. To make a crown, first I'm taking white paint and coloring the headband, on which I'll glue these flowers. Starting from the middle, I'm making my way outwards. I'm also adding extra 2 on the top to give it additional lift. Now taking baking paper, I'm folding it and adding dots of my face. Since the design is symmetrical, this is the easiest way to get both sides looking the same. I am using NYX Nude lip pencil and lipstick, which are the creamiest lip products I own. With this, I want to show how love flows through us, how scary it is that we hide the genuine feelings that we are ashamed of by so-called pride. We're taught to hide our love, our apologies, and our life behind a wall. We live in a world focused on outer beauty and this constant need to be perfect. They tell us you mustn't be emotional, stubborn, sad, smart, fat, sincere, anything they don't want you to be. We play games in relationships because we are too proud to admit we have real feelings for this person. We mustn't show them we care too much, right? It takes great bravery in being genuine, in being okay with yourself, in showing someone you care about them. There's a certain beauty in saying sorry and an honor in asking for help. We don't always have to act in the most acceptable way. Be passionate about the things you love and don't be afraid to show your true colors. Now I'm adding yellow. It's here to represent the joy in us and the joy we bring to the world. The warmth we have, just like the sun. As all of the previous products were creams, using water-activated face paint from blue is perfect because it doesn't mix with the rest of the colors and is easy to remove if it leaks somewhere you didn't want. Taking black, I'm adding final depth. This look was inspired by the smink printing where cyan, magenta, yellow, and black ink are layered onto the white surface to create a full color spectrum. That reminded me of our soul, which is so complex, layered, different in each of us. That's what defines us. And that is where our pride should come from, within. And we should never strive to be like someone else because it's simply not possible and will only leave us hurt. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please vote. I'll put all the details into the description. Okay, bye.